Hi, I'm Karen Proctor. I'm a dietitian working for Bowys. I'm based in Newtown, which is at the north of Bowys, and I do several different roles as a dietitian now. And I say I've been working now as a dietitian here for over 8 years. So currently, up until recently, I had 3 different roles, all part-time. 2.5 days a week, I lead on diabetes prevention program, which is a national program now that's been rolled out across Wales. 1 day a week, I was working in level 3 weight management, and the rest of the time, I was doing my general clinical community dietitian role. You know, every day is a little bit different. If I have a clinic, it's a general clinic usually. I would prepare for that clinic. I would see who's coming in, look at blood results, look at their medical history, check anything I might need to know about that person, and predominantly why they've been referred to us. And clinic can be a mix of doing virtual on a video or talking on the telephone to people, or we might see them face to face in a room rather like this. Well, when you actually, when I actually do see a person, they've come in for their condition, and it sounds a bit cheesy, but you've actually feel like you've made a difference in their life. They've gone away and they've maybe a bit more informed, or a bit more aware about something than they were before, and maybe it's just the start and they've just starting to think about change, or you've actually been able to talk through positive steps forward, and sustainable change in their lives. So that was the reason why I became a dietitian. So that is still a really good, worthy part of the job.